Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Windows 11 install media USB yourself for free. You will only need a working computer and a USB. To start this process, make sure that the USB is plugged into your computer, and it will help keep things simple if that's the only USB plugged in. First, you'll need to enter in this website address. I will have it below in the description if you need it. It will take you to the Microsoft page where you can download this Windows 10 install media. Once you get to the page, you'll see Windows 11 Install Assistant here. You want to go right below that, Create Windows 11 Install Media. We'll click on the Download Now button. There it is. It's just been downloaded. So we're going to go access that file. We're going to click on this folder, Show in Folder. There's the media creation tool. We'll double click on it. Do you want to allow this app to make changes? We're going to hit yes. We'll then accept the terms and conditions here. I'm going to use the recommended settings for this PC, leave it in English, hit next. And I'm going to select the USB flash drive that I have put into my computer, making sure that it's at least 8 gigabytes. I'll hit next and then select that USB. It's the only one that's plugged into my computer. Now again, just as another reminder before you do this, remember this will delete anything on your USB. In most cases, it will format it first before it does this. You will lose all the data there. Okay, so to get here, it took about 20 minutes. That can vary depending on the speed of your computer. You may see it done a lot faster, or you may see it done longer. USB flash drive is ready. We'll hit finish, and that'll finish it up. Now, if you wanted any help in seeing how to use this USB to actually install Windows 11 to your computers, keep in mind that to start that process, it will vary by different brands of computer. I will try to have several below in the description to help you out with that process. So that's the end of the video. I hope it was helpful. Please remember to like and share if it was helpful, if you think it can help someone else. And please subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer repair tutorials like this one. Below in the description, I do try to keep the FAQs updated regularly, so if you have a question, check that first. It may save you some time. But if you do need to leave me a question or comment, please feel free. I try to get to those at least a couple times a day. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.